What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to day 8 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are getting a good angle because my GoPro won't connect to my phone for some reason. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We are, like I said, on day 8. I know the last video you guys saw, we pretty much were painting the side skirts and everything. I pretty much have to put this video in there because I need to paint the lip as well. And then I don't want to film that. I already filmed a bunch of those, so I do have to go get some gas. As you can see, I'm a little low. Haven't driven the SI in a few days, so I'm super excited about that. I need to fix my headlight. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but my right one is like super beaming in the middle. I gotta fix that. I don't really drive this car at night, so I don't really notice it. But now that I am driving it, I notice it. I wish this car had an exhaust so you guys can hear some intake or some exhaust noises and some intake. Maybe an intake? Maybe even an intake to get some intake noises. Oh! I can't tell if that was rubbing or stuff jumping around back there. I don't have that much gas, but for the boys. This car wants to scream, bro. It really wants to scream. Holy. I need an exhaust and an intake bad. Like the video some more so we can go pick one up. Keep commenting. Get your boy in the algorithm. We'll go get an exhaust for Vlogmas. No, but seriously though, if you guys are watching this right now, and you guys have an 8th gen, want an 8th gen, give this comment, give this video a thumbs up, man. If you guys don't know how much, just leaving a comment or even just liking the video helps a lot. I also need to get smaller tires so I can lower the front a little bit. But at that point, I just want to get new wheels. What do you guys think? New wheels for the FA? What wheels should I get? I'm kind of tired of TEs, but TEs just look so good. How could you hate on TEs? Last time you guys are gonna see this car without a lip kit. Little gas station flick. Went inside the gas station, got me a little drinky drink and some breakfast. Bam. And she's full now. Or almost full. I actually didn't mean to put that much in because this car sits more than anything. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing wrong with a little gas. You know what I mean? But going back to what I said, yeah, smaller tires needed. I don't think I can go without them. Oh, she pulls, brother. Oh. I miss when this car was, or when I had the supercharged version of this car, the last FA. It had so much power, bro. It's actually kind of crazy, now that I think about it, how stock and slow. Because when I took the supercharger off, I never drove it after that. So I never went from supercharged to NA. It was just supercharged sold. Now obviously I went from NA to supercharged. Obviously that was the difference, but I never got to go backwards, you know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know if you guys are catching my drift there, Sonny. Do one of these, because I'm low. But yeah, smaller tires. I didn't think these tires were gonna rub, but I think they're 235/40 18s. And I need to go down to like a 215/40 18. So that kind of sucks. Oh, they might be 225s. They're one of the two. But I need to stretch them, I guess. A little bit more cambies. So one thing about these cars, they're not wide, so you can't fit like wide stuff in here, especially in the rear. Which kind of sucks. But it is what it is. What are you gonna do about it? Cry? Yeah, I just pulled up to work. A little POV drive for you. If you guys want to see more of these and you guys want to see me get an exhaust and everything, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.